Where is Luna?
She is in the living room.
What is she doing?
She is playing with dog.
Where is the car?
It is in the garage.
Where is the cat?
The cat in front of the door.
What is the cat doing?
The cat is eating. Hey Tina. Oh. Jessica. How are you? I am good. How about you? I am good too. How was your weekend? My weekend was great.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Do you have fun at the party?
No. I didn't.
Will you come to class tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Where are you from?
I am from USA.
What do you do on Saturday evening?
We went to see a film.
How's it up?
I am doing great.
What's up?
Nothing much. How are you?
How's your life?
Going well.
How old are you?
38.
How old are you?
I am 38 years old.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1974 in London.
Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
When will you go?
I will go by Sunday.
What's going on here?
Nothing special.
Can you hear me?
No. I can't.
Do you like me?
Yes, I like you.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What do you do?
I am student.
Why are you crying?
Because I am upset.
What are you doing?
I am reading books.
Are you there?
Yes. I am.
What does your mother?
My mother is a teacher.
Where is the school?
It is between the library and the park.
Where is the post office?
It's across from the shopping complex.
Where is the city bank?
It's next to the supermarket.
Where is the cat?
It's over there.
Where is the gas station?
It's around the corner from the church.
Where is the bus station?
It's near the supermarket.
Thank very much.
You are welcome.
Where are you?
I am in the kitchen.
What are you doing here?
I'm making food for dinner tonight.
Where are Alex and Anna?
They are in the living room.
What are they doing? Together?
They are watching TV.
Where is the cat?
Maybe in dining room.
What's she doing?
She is sleeping.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
What's her name?
Her name is Luna.
Where is she right now?
She is in Canada.
What is that building behind her?
She is standing in front of the BD Tower.
May I help you?
Oh yeah, please. I am looking for an umbrella.
What is your favorite color?
It's pink.
Sorry, we have no pink color umbrella. Right now, here is a nice umbrella.
But this umbrella is yellow.
Yeah, that's okay.
No. Yellow umbrella are very popular in this area.
Excuse me, is this your umbrella?
No. It isn't.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. That umbrella is brown and my umbrella is yellow.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. I am single.
Tell me about your new car. Is it large?
No, it's not. It is small.
Tell me about your question and your English book. Are they difficult?
No, they are not. They are say.
Tell me about your new neighbors. Are they quite
New? They aren't. They are noise.
Is Anna young or old?
Obviously, she is young.
Is Alex tall or short?
He is long.
Is Alex's appointment big or little?
It's small.
Were the last examination, say, or difficult?
They were difficult.
Is Doran married or single? What do you think?
She is single, I think.